What is up, guys, and welcome to your 8th and final tutorial on setting up a web server. Now what we're going to cover is our BIOS update. So let's go ahead to the Gigabyte website and let's download it. We're just going to search for Z77MX-D3H. This is our motherboard. When this loads, we're going to click on download. We're going to download type, we're going to select BIOS. We're going to download the latest version of the BIOS, which I've already done about 15 times. Now, once you do this, we're going to open this up, run it, extract it. Not there though. We're going to click this dot. We got to select a path, and we're going to select removable disk and extract it. That's going to take a second to extract. Now, BIOS updates are really good for your motherboard. Your motherboard comes with software called BIOS, Basic Input Output System, and this controls all the hardware and the functionality of the motherboard. So, what is included with the BIOS update? Well, it says right here a couple of the examples. Improved CPU stability, improved system compatibility, improved Sandy Bridge CPU overclocking. We're going to get all of these updates in the latest version, which is fantastic. So now that that is done extracting, let's go install it. Hey guys, there's one more thing I want to mention. You're going to need Windows in order to extract this file. So if you are running Macintosh or a Linux machine right now, let me know. Leave me a comment in the forums and I'll extract the files and put them there for you. Remember, the forums are kragersoft.net/forums. So go there, register, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to help you out. Now that we have our files on the flash drive, let's go ahead and insert the flash drive into the front of the case. Hit the power button. The computer will turn on. When it posts, hit the delete key a couple times. Now that we're in the BIOS, let's go to the BIOS features where we're going to see we have option 1 and option 2. That's good because now we know that it detects our flash drive. So in the menu on the right side, you'll see that we have a few options, and one of them is QFlash. And if we hit F8, it'll bring us into that mode. Enter QFlash utility, say yes. Update BIOS from drive, yes. USB flash drive, correct. And now we want to select the file Z77MX-D3H.F12. Remember, F12 is the version of the file that we downloaded. Are you sure you want to update BIOS? Hit yes. Don't turn off power or reset system. Guys, that's super important. If you lose power during this update, your motherboard might not start. Okay, now we can reboot or power off. We're going to reboot. Just make sure everything is working. And when it posts, make sure you hit the delete key a couple times again. Okay, here we are. Now let's just verify that we have an updated version here. I think if we hit F1, it'll bring us, yep. So here's our BIOS version. It says F12. We are ready to go. We are all set. Okay guys, save and exit. Pull out the thumb drive, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial. The next series is going to cover how to install Linux and how to use Linux on this machine right here. So stay tuned for that. Let me know. Give me some feedback, guys, and I will see you soon.